Hi, welcome to BananaCrystal platform. In this video, I'll be showing us how to send payments on the platform. After logging into your account, your dashboard should look like this. At the left hand side of your screen where you have the dashboard menu, you scroll down to where you have payments, click on it and select send payments. This will navigate you to this page where you have three options on how to send payments. The first option is to send to a BananaCrystal account. The second option is to invite the receiver to join BananaCrystal platform. Then the third option is to send via USDT on Polygon network. That's the blockchain network. For this video, I'll be using the first option, which is the receiver has a BananaCrystal account. So you click on that, then you fill out the information that you want, the amount you want to send. This shows that we accept mini payments on the platform. Then you input the username or their email address. Okay. You can add description if you have any, or you can add a reference. I don't have any of that, so I'll just click on preview. Then you click on submit. So the next stage is for us to confirm this in our email address. It says please confirm your transaction of 0.10 USD dollars to this person. So all you have to do now is to click on confirm, and to bring you back to this page. It's pending. So your request was successfully confirmed and will be processed shortly. And that's it, guys. You successfully sent this amount to the user. So click on back. This will take you to your account activity page, where you see all the transactions you've done so far. Then click on your dashboard to continue. Refresh your page, check your account balance, refresh your page again, and ensure that that exact amount has left your account. Give it 3 to 5 minutes for it to actually reflect or leave your account. And that's how you successfully send payment to a BananaCrystal account. Thanks for watching. Bye.